Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kashan Roy Basan Secondary School Lumauba Upper Shillong, ha ka Sauterik mentau benaya yong arhajar kat kendai. Ha pedeng ke jingsong kon bha kalapan ha perdano ya ke program jingilek kai beper-per ne ya ke belatem kum ke Annual School Sports and Athletic Meet 2019 Hamadan Parmau jong kasnong Lumauba. Ya ke ni ke jingilek kai ke bala pelong nadu ke arterik mentau benaya yong arhajar kat kendai lawan men penha perdano da ke secretary jong ke managing committee jong ni ke skol ke Dr. R. Thank you. Ringkat ke jidan lang u principal jong ke skol uba HB khar kinau hikai ki khna skol ki kimi ki pa lembat ki we de ki bala sakhar sobha hakine ki saus ngi lentar la perlong ki jila ka ki bonjan bakan thop ya ke jingya march pass relay race spoon race bat ki we de ki jingla ka la samru ya ki khusnam se ki khna skol ki bala job ha ki jila ka ba per ha ka ba ka blue house na kalyang ki shenrang kalawan baningkong ha ka jingya mare ka ba south park meter kat ba ka yellow house kalawan ha ka kadan baar hakaliang ki kentai pan ke greenhouse kelawan ke kerdan beningkong kat ba ke red house hak kerdan ke baar hakani ke sngi la samro i kusnam best captain Shaw Brandon Bare na kishinrang ubadai na ke kenhon red house bat shaka yari lang rentatiang na kaliang ki kentai kabadai na ke kenhon blue house haba pai pat ki kusnam jo ke march pass na kaliang kishinrang la yora da ke kenhon yellow house bat ke blue house pat na kaliang ki kentai kat ba ke nam discipline house la yora da ke greenhouse. Ya ke nam job habaro ki jila kai hakani ke Annual School Sports Meet 2019 layo ra da ke kenhon yellow house.
All of you have given your best. I'm very sure that the winners are very happy and excited. But even the losers, they have competed and they have participated. And competing is never only about winning. It is about competing and giving your best. And therefore, I want to encourage all of you to always give your best. Because when you give your best, when you compete, you do what is right to yourself. You look upon yourself and you ask of yourself of the strength that is possible only if you dig into your inner strength. And as you do that, you know that you'll become stronger. And the strength that you have, that you achieve when you try to compete and give your best, that is something that is very needful, and not only in physical activities, in competing in physical activities, but in life as well. And so, competing in sporting events is not only for winning, it is also to make yourself better. In fact, to try to achieve the best that you can be. And therefore, when you do that, the inner strength that you have gained by competing, this will be useful to you all your life long. And therefore, my dear students, especially I'm talking to you, my dear students, this is very important, that you look upon yourself not only as a competitor, not only as a participant, but somebody who wants to better yourself. And this is something that is needful throughout your life. And therefore, my dear students, I'm very happy that in your competition, even though there are winners, you have losers as well. And this should teach you to strive for something better, to do something better, to reach some higher goals.
Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music, sing oh yeah, oh. Just move those left feet, go ahead, go crazy. Anyone can do it, sing oh yeah, oh. Show the world you got that fire. Feel the rhythm get louder. Show the world what you can do, prove to them you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah, I'm better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. Just right away, dancing. Yeah, yeah. When you finally let go, you say that's all you listen to.
Batailang Wadri from the blue house. Bawan Kodor Wadri of the red house. Captain Shalbor